Hey there, folks. You're watching the Princess Tanya Show. Whoop, whoop. Is the camera off? Is it off? Thank God for that.
Hey! Welcome to the Princess Tanya Show! Whoop, 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 whoop! Yay!
What the hell are you?
I am Venom, and you're watching the Princess Tanya Show.
Go!
Hello, you're watching the Princess Tanya Show. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Go!
Hello, you're watching the Princess Tanya Show. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
I can tell she loves to go shop. She's all out of control. She can't stop. Designer clothes, jewels, hair. She's throwing money everywhere. My head is spinning. Oh, 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 oh. She's a princess. She's a princess. Modern day princess.
Hey, Chad, let's go on a bike ride. Oh, no. I need to stay and drink beers. Uncle Daddy. Oh, you go. I'll come with you, Daddy. Awesome. Yeah. I'll go with Jeffy then. Hey, Bestie, what are you doing? I'm going on a bike ride with Jeffy. Can I come? No. No, Daddy. Oh, man. I'm going to get beers. Yeah. Oh, I like bike rides. No, Dale said you can't come. Screw Dale. Screw you, Dale. Oh, hi, Dancing Mario. How are you watching this? You want to give me fake bars? Screw you.
Hour later.
Hi, guys. We're on the bike ride with Jeffy. Jeffy's doing the machine to get the tokens. Jeffy!
Oh, Daddy. Hey, Daddy, you have to pay.
What do you mean you gotta pay? You gotta pay to go on a bike ride?
Yeah, Daddy. You gotta pay $2, Daddy.
Oh, shit. Oh, man, we have to pay to get on the bikes. We can't go on the bikes now.
Yeah, Daddy. We'll have to do something else, Daddy.
Oh, man.
Utility later.
Princess Tanya rides a bike. Take one. Yeah. You have to pay for the bikes. Yeah. Nobody told me.
What are you telling us? Jeffrey! Jeffrey, why didn't you tell me?
Come on, Daddy.
Huh? And we can't go on a bike ride. Yeah.
Sorry, Daddy.
Yeah. Gotta pay. Yeah, we gotta pay. Ah.
She's a princess, modern day princess.